So if today was your last day at the Centum Group, what would you identify as your notable achievements?
I've been lucky enough to work across a myriad of sectors. I've worked in real estate, agribusiness, energy, just to name a few. And just one of the things that stood out for me was just to develop a business case from start to finish within the healthcare space, from business case development to market study to actually presenting it to the board, which is a feat in itself, being from the graduate program and within such a short time, just given that power and ability. Yeah, but from a social and like interaction standpoint, I think just having to interact with people like you. I don't think I would have had the chance if I was not in the graduate program. Yeah.
Thank you so much, George. I think I can summarize it for George. 5 roles within 5 years is just an affirmation once again that the only constant thing at Centum is change. Thank you for watching. I hope you've been inspired. My name is James Muchira, and you're watching Invest in Africa.